All right, good day everyone. It's a privilege having you in our channel once again. And welcome to Fish College YouTube channel, a channel where we train people on how you can produce catfish, manage them effectively to table size. I discovered that this period, a lot of businesses have challenge in fry management, in fish farming management, which have caused so many to pack out of the business, and then so many who have invested in it are actually been troubled, worried that who gave me this wrong advice. I want you to know that you will never venture into a wrong business. This business is still a profitable business, but it's just that you need to get it done properly. A lot of people venture into the business because they're motivated by the profit behind it or the activities by the fun. But before you venture into the business, it's not enough having motivation. It's enough for you to have the right knowledge that you need to be successful in this business, and not just the right knowledge, you need someone to guide you effectively. Today's date is 24th of September 2023, 24th of October, sorry, 2023, and we're actually giving you the dates to tell you what we have. Right here we have fish that we incubate here that are hatching already, which I'm going to show you. And in this clip I'm also going to show you how we select broodstock, and I'm going to show you how we strip. We have the documented video on the stripping. We have documented video on the selection of the broodstock. And let me say something for those who have been hatching. So many don't know that before you select broodstock, there are so many qualities that you need to consider. That is why I keep telling you, and I will keep stressing it, that you try to get this on material, get this book. If you cannot get the hard copy, you can make your payment and we will send a soft copy to you. In this material, we carefully write, like here I just open now, is how you can search for broodstock, okay? How you can source for broodstock and the basic qualities that you actually need to know before you can use a particular broodstock, because broodstock are the foundation of your hatching. If you don't have good broodstock, you are not going anywhere. You understand what I'm saying? Then I thank God that we are actually going out of the rainy season, but this year we have much rain in Nigeria, and in our series I've been trying to teach us how you can manage this fry when there is much rain. And when we are talking about rain, we are talking about how you can manage your fries when the temperature are high, because whenever there is rain, two things are bound to happen. One, there is alteration of the pH, and there is dropping of the temperature. And once your temperature drop, this fry will not be very active. As you can see the way we cover it. This is how we have been doing for those who have been following us, so that we can give them a particular temperature. And we don't just work blindly. We have effective gadgets that we use to checkmate our pH and our temperature, so whenever there is variation, we put it right. So let me tell you something. If you have actually been working blindly without having good knowledge of the temperature and the pH, you are not helping yourself. Well, before I proceed, fish are just hatching. So I think my friends that is doing the coverage will come close, so that we can just show you how they're hatching. We actually don't show people the hatching process until they are day 4, because when they are day 4, that is when you will see them very well. But I believe you can see them all over. You can see them swimming, all these things that are bubbling beneath. Show here, I think you can see them more closer there. You can see them. So they are still dropping. So for those of you who keep following us, in the next 4 days, what you're going to see here, you'll be surprised. Okay, what you're going to see here, you'll be highly surprised. So I'm just trying to reason about some questions that people have been sending. Well, so far many of you don't like sending questions. You keep sending thank you message, keep telling us thank you for your material, thank you for your video. Yeah, we also want you to ask us questions. Ask us questions pertaining the challenge you are having. When you ask your questions, we will Well, answer. I think there is a question on our channel. Somebody was asking how long do you feed your fry, and that question is not really a straightforward question because, like I myself, let me tell you something. I normally feed them within 3 times, within 3 hours. Within 3 hours, every 3 hours I feed them. But when there is drop in temperature, once there is drop in temperature, you will know that the feeding rates will be, the feeding rate will be slow. So you need to, that's why I said you need a mentor to guide you, because you need to come to a point where you understand your relationship with your fry to help you to manage them effectively. Okay, to help you to manage them effectively. Then someone, my friend in Cameroon, I'm trying to recall your name. I told you about flow through. You can watch over there. I just raised this one up. You need to keep running flow through. This flow through is very, very important in your fries. You don't need to stop it, okay? You don't need to stop it. It's very, very important. It helps to flush ammonia, and it also helps to increase circulation of oxygen in the pond. So it's not something that you do, especially within the first 1 week to 3 weeks. You need to ensure that you are giving them, constant flow through. All these things are part of the basic information that you need to have your mind. That's why I say try and get some material. And for those of you who have not registered for mentorship, register our mentorship. The purpose is to guide you. It's a one-on-one interaction between us and you. And what we do is very, very simple. Try to know your problem. For example, now if you discover that your problem is water pH, we can help you stabilize your pH. We work together, you stabilize it. If we discover that your problem is you're having temperature challenge, we can work one-on-one together with you, and we will fix up the temperature challenge. So people challenge varies. There are some that are major issue, like my friend in Port Harcourt. I'm just forgetting their name, but I'm trying to recall. So majority of people, their major challenge is blue stock, and many have been asking me to send blue stock to them. So if you are living in Ghana now, how will I build blue stock to you? I need to book a flight. Well, there are other ways we can transfer blue stock, but now coming down to Nigeria too, we have actually been sending blue stock to people. But I believe if you can learn how to raise quality blue stock that will give you good egg, that will hatch well for you, I think that is very good. Some people don't know that blue stock has special food that they eat for them to have good egg. Just the way we have special food for fry to grow well, we have special food for blue stock. You don't know that. So you need to know it. And those of you asking me about medication, I don't actually dwell more on medication. I hardly use drugs. I believe that if you follow the basic routine that you are meant to follow, this fight will not have problem. And let me tell you, the shocking truth is that when you misbehave and this fight want to die, all of them will die. So you just have to be careful from the beginning to the end. Okay, we have been selling from the first batch that we produce. For those of you who have been following us, and we actually had water challenge, but we have rectified it. That is why we have not been showing you some of our work here. But for now, we are fully back, and I may also be traveling to NYC camp to go and do training. So these are part of the developments that we have. So I will actually encourage you to send us a question. For those of you who have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, I'm still wondering why you find it difficult to do that. Just click on the subscription button so that whenever we post a video, it will get to you. And for information, we have over 200 videos that talk more on catfish breeding and management. Okay, so we need your interaction to help us boost what we are doing. Is that clear? So right now I'm going to take you inside to show you our fingerlings that we have been selling, the one that is remaining. So if I told you, for those who are following us, we are in Benin, we are in Takib farm in Benin city. So we are actually trying to build a hatching capacity of 500,000 to 1 million pieces in a month, and we have been working on that. So, and we are trusting God that we are going to achieve that goal. My teams are here, we are all working effectively. Then for information, if you have been following us and you have serious challenge in your farm and you need our consultation, you can give us a call. You can see our number on the screen. Do you understand what I'm saying? This is Fish College. This is Fish College live and direct addressing you. So I think at this point we need to move in We need to move it. Alright, so as you can see, we're actually giving them food. Inside is a bit dark, but I'm sure you can see our fish. We have been selling from this. We have been marketing them. Um, People have been buying. They are energetic. They are doing so well. So, as you can see the name on the screen, this is Takib Farm, Benin City. If you want to come and patronize, just give us a call. We'll link you up to the farm management, and you come and pick up your you come and pick up your fish. Or better still, you can place your order on the website of the farm, www.takibfarm.com, takibfishfarm.com. So you can place your order there and you come to the farm to pick up. So we have fish here in thousands. What I mean in thousands, they are numerous and they are doing very much well. So now to my viewers, what is my advice to you? I believe this should be a motivation to all of you that have been following us. You can you can produce, you can produce this same fish. You can do well. All you just need to do is to follow the basic steps that we have given you. Like as I said, get our manual. Our manual is a life guide that will forever help you to be successful in this business. Then also register for a mentorship class so we can guide you daily on the basic things you need to know, basic things you need to do to be successful in the business. A tree cannot actually make a forest. So no matter the level of wisdom you have, no matter the qualification you have, I am telling you that you need to acquire more life experience from those that are making good success. You need to acquire good experience from those that are making good success, and they cannot link you up. So these ones you are watching right now are the big head among those ones. You need to pick them out. So we do pick them out so that they will not cannibalize the other ones. So we have fish in abundance, and I want to inspire everyone that be following us, especially young guys. I will encourage you to wake up, acquire a skill and develop yourself. Stop putting your hope on your uncles, stop putting your hope on your aunties, stop putting your hope on your governor, stop putting your hope on your president. People can always fail you, but once you have acquired a tangible skill that is proficient and develop yourself in it, the skill will bring goodies on your table. I used to tell people one of the quotes I enjoy from Benjamin Franklin. Benjamin Franklin says something. He said, whenever you are hungry, open your hand and ask yourself why. Because in this life, God have given us everything that we need to succeed. God did not give you, do not build your success in the life of people. So because this period, many people keep are very good in sending accounts every day to different people seeking for help. Then I do encourage you, where will you be satisfied doing that? Actually, it's good to help people, but I believe giving people fish is not enough, but teaching them how to catch fish is the best thing that can help them. So there are many things we do in fish college. If you are a youth and you want to develop yourself, you can get trained with us and we can employ you. We have so many farms that are tied to us that need people that are good. If you know you have experience too and you don't have a place of working, just chat me up. I will, once you have a good character, we'll make arrangements, you will get free. So this YouTube channel is not just an ordinary YouTube channel. It's a YouTube channel prepared to serve humanity, to liberate people from pains. A lot of people are not doing anything. A lot of people have farms and they are not making profit out of their farm. So um you see, that is what I'm actually saying. When you work with us, we will help you to have more meaningful and better experience in life. So I will encourage you, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, I'm still wondering why you are here to subscribe to our channel after watching all this wonderful clip. Can you see how they're swimming? Can you see how they're looking so wonderful, so beautiful? So subscribe right now. Subscribe right now. Click on the subscription button. Subscribe right now so that you'll be getting more of our videos. We actually have over 200 videos, and we'll keep posting more videos of what we do. And the essence of doing it is that we are interested in your success. You can equally be sending us your success videos, your success video, how you are making good success, for those who have been following us. And do like our videos also and share with your friends. By so doing, you may not know you are helping somebody who have been living in pain, who have been living in darkness. Share the video to them for them to know that they can manage fry successfully. You can manage your fry at 1 week, you can manage your fry at 2 weeks, you can manage your fry at 3 weeks. Because some people used to call me and say, Fish College. All right, let's listen. Rest on the board, so obvious. So right here we have hundreds, thousands of fish here that have been produced. You can see fingerlings available, table size available, smoking size available. All you just have to do is to call this number. This is the company number. This is Fish College telling you that we have our products here. So if you are in Benin City, you can get quality fish. Do you understand what I'm saying? If you are in Benin City, you can get quality fish. So we collaborate with this farm to produce quality fish that can serve you very well. So okay, I believe you understand what I'm saying. And this my friend here, like as I said, is going to help us to be covering those in the northern part of Nigeria. So thank you guys.
So nan wannan shine gidan gonan da muke aiki a cikin shi yanzu, wanda ake kira da Takib farms. Suna sai da fingerlings, table size da smoking fish. Duk wanda yake da bukata, wanda yake nan yankin zai iya neman su, amma mu aikin mu shine duk inda hashiri yake muna zuwa mu settings, a gina hashirin da tsara shi da yanayin kifin ma da za a kyankyashe, har training staff muna yi wanda suke kyankyasan kifi. Da haka duk da mai bukatan wannan aikin za mu iya zuwa mu masa. In kuma mutum yana ma bukata a zuwa kyankyashe masa kifi ne da yawa kamar mass production, duk muna yi. Za a zo a kyankyashe ma sati 2 zuwa 3 ko kuma wata 1, ya danganta da yadda aka tsadance da kai shi ke mutum ya biya, to aikin da za a mai kenan. Amma mu babban burinmu shine mu tabbatar da mutum ya samar da kifi mai nagarta wanda ba su mutuwa, kuma wannan mutuwan nasu tun daga kyankyasa ne, tun daga wurin zaben ma kifin da za a kyankyasa da shi, daga na ake samun matsala. To insha Allah duk wanda yake da wannan matsalar, in dai ya tuntube mu, in Allah ya yarda, cikin ikon Allah, ba wai mu bane, Allah ke yi, matsalar shi ta kau. Assalam.
All right, thank you guys. We love you. Keep following us, and we'll keep giving you the best from our channel. Thank you. Goodbye.